Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing visible damage and attachment points so you know what to fix first. Remove loose trim with a plastic pry tool. Keep screws sorted. Once done, check for sensor or airbag housings and disconnect the battery if they're close to your workspace. Explain why. Reducing risk and avoiding false airbag deployment protects you and the vehicle. Make sure to photograph alignment and fastener locations for reassembly, and lay tools and adhesives within reach before moving to repair. You now do the heavy lifting. Prepare surfaces so repairs stick. Clean with isopropyl, sand glossy spots lightly, and remove debris. This improves adhesion. If the cover is warped, apply heat evenly and bend back to shape using a straight edge and clamp. Allow to cool under pressure. Once aligned, apply specified 3M adhesive or epoxy in thin beads, press parts together, and hold for the recommended cure time. Explain why. Proper prep and controlled heat give a long-lasting, flush fit. Finish by reinstalling fasteners and trim in the reverse order you removed them, and torque fasteners to spec so parts sit flush. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and test vents, sensors, and airbag warnings to ensure nothing was disturbed. If you notice a gap or misalignment, loosen nearby fasteners, adjust with thin shims or controlled adhesive spots, and red-itin. Avoid over-tightening, which can crack trim. One troubleshooting tip. If a persistent gap remains, reheat the area briefly and clamp, while adhesive cures to force a proper bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.